Hey guys, welcome to motorrides.com. This is Amit Chhangani, and this is one of the more exciting products that have been introduced here at the Auto Expo 2018. This is day 2, and this is the Thor, which is claimed to be the world's first fully electric cruiser with a geared transmission, and this has been introduced in India, unveiled. It's not been launched, but the price has been announced, and this one has been apparently priced at 4.9 lakh rupees. But there are a few details that you need to know before you think that this is a bike which goes for 270 kilometers on single charge, which is what is claimed, but without the details. So we'll clear all of that for you in the next few minutes. So let's first have a look at the motorcycle from all the angles. And it's a nice looking motorcycle, although the big battery pack in the middle may make it a little bit off-putting for a few of you, because we are so used to seeing an engine there. It's not there. The transmission, as I mentioned, is not a single-speed transmission. This is a 5-speed transmission geared motorcycle with a hydraulic clutch, and this is how it looks up front and at the rear. No grab rail to be seen. Very little space for the pillion. Let me just give you a look of how it looks from top as well. So let's start talking about the few features that is talking about. So to start off, they're saying that this is going to be a 270 kilometer range motorcycle, which is not true for the 4.9 lakh rupees priced bike. This one is available in 3 variants, wherein you'll have a 27 kilowatt hour unit which has the range of 270, 15 kilowatt hour unit with a range of about 150 kilometers, and the 7.5 kilowatt hour unit which is only 81 kilometers of range, and that's the bike that they've priced at 4.9 lakh rupees. However, that bike will not have the range as it's claimed of 270 kilometers. So the bike that you'll get for 4.9 lakh rupees is a 7.5 kilowatt hour unit with 81 kilometers of range, and you basically will have to spend about 7 hours about 2 hours to charge the batteries fully on this motorcycle. You also get a fast charge option which will charge it fully in about an hour's time and about 80% in 40 minutes time. So those are the numbers. The other features that you need to be aware of is the fact that the wheel size is 17-inch up front and 15-inch alloys at the rear. The bike gets front disc which is 240 mm, front disc which is 280 mm, and the rear at 240 mm, and it gets a dual channel ABS. The tires up front are 120 section, at the rear you get 150 section tire, and the suspension at the rear is twin and adjustable. Up front you have these telescopic forks. And the torque on the bike is 30 Nm. The power is rated at 30 kilowatts, although I'm not very sure which version they're talking about here when they say 30 kilowatts. So that's that. These are the basic features that the motorcycle has, and you need to be aware that this bike will not be launched very soon. It will take at least 6 months before it's introduced here in India, and as I mentioned before, you need to be very aware that for 4.9 lakh rupees, the price that has been quoted, the range that you'll get is 80 kilometers. For the 270 kilometers range, you'll have to shell out about 9 lakh rupees or a little more, and we are not even sure whether that motorcycle will be introduced, looking at the fact that this market is not quite ready for those sort of numbers. So trying to give you a view of the motorcycle from all angles. Right now there's an interaction going on, so we cannot get up on the stage at this point, but we'll try to get there as soon as possible. But the key features have been shared with you. and we have shared the range, the price, and the few things that you need to be aware of in terms of the battery packs on the motorcycle. Check out the headlamps. This is an all LED unit. There's a lot of chrome up front around the headlamp, loaded with chrome. This one is in a hue of maroonish brown. There's a belt drive. Obviously, there's no chain. If you look closely, it's a belt drive. And it comes with basic deck in terms of chassis. I don't see any fancy stuff here, but this looks nice and is a step in the right direction by UM, as electric is what is going to be powering our two-wheelers next. So that was our quick overview of the UM Renegade Thor, and we hope you liked this video. I hope this was informative. Pardon the unclear visuals, as there's a lot of action happening here, but we're trying to get to you as soon as possible, as quickly as possible. And thanks a lot for watching. Do hit the like button if you like the video, and do share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll get back to you with a lot more action in a short while. This is Amit Changani signing off. Stay tuned to Motoroids.